Hello everyone.
The ANC will march to Moses Mabhida Stadium on Saturday for the party's Maihlome rally, heavily burdened by the prospect of having its majority severely reduced in KwaZulu-Natal or at worst begging other parties to stay in government. This comes as the stakes are high in the province, with several parties aiming for the ANC's scalp. On Thursday, the ANC briefed the media on the party's state of readiness ahead of its manifesto launch. Party spokesperson Mahlengu Bengu Motsiri, Deputy Secretary General Mbalula Mokonyane, and Secretary General Mbalula attended the briefing. They were joined by Sponiso Duma, the ANC chairperson in KwaZulu-Natal, and Bheki Mtolo, the provincial secretary. Mbalula made a dig at the former president Jacob Zuma-led Umkhonto weSizwe party. He said history will judge Zuma harshly should the ANC suffer an electoral defeat, and said the MK project is the project of our opponents to defeat the ANC. We didn't think in our wildest dreams that we would be in KZN and everywhere in the country speaking about Zuma. He has strengthened the hand of our opponents. But he doesn't see that if the ANC fails, Zuma will be held accountable. He will have contributed to its failure. The MK party will stage a separate rally on Saturday in Scottburg, which is more than 60 kilometers away from the Moses Mabhida Stadium. The MK party is one of the parties to watch, according to a recent Social Research Foundation poll that predicted it would receive 24% of the provincial vote, placing the ANC in KwaZulu-Natal at a slightly less than 26%, assuming a 60% voter turnout. KwaZulu-Natal received 54% provincial electoral support in the most recent elections in 2019, a 10% decrease from the 64% the party received in 2014. According to Mokonyane, a high turnout is anticipated on Saturday. Expect to have more than 70,000 people in attendance, and the president would like to give his address not later than 11 a.m. because of the weather that might prevail, and said other provinces have also shown interest in attending and we are still confirming their attendance. Mbalula, on the other hand, pointed out that Moses Mabhida has always been good omen for the 112-year-old party, and said, "We are coming to Moses Mabhida for the second time." KwaZulu-Natal and Moses Mabhida have always been good omens for us. The last time we were here, we achieved 50% of the national vote. Though many polls predicted the ANC demise, Mbalula said the party had performed remarkably well in a number of elections, and said, "I've been the ANC head of the elections for some time. Even when we got two-thirds majority, we never had a poll that said the ANC was polling at 60 or 63%. It always puts us at 40% and below." According to the Independent Electoral Commission, there are 27.4 million registered voters for 2024 polls. The KZN accounts for the second biggest voting population at 5.7 million, while Gauteng has the biggest voting population at 6.4 million. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.